Sample ID BAUX-7 and batch 2023-1026 confirmed.
These AGVs transport concentrated caustic soda, the key reagent for the Bayer process, autonomously along
Pressure holding steady at 40 bar.
Temperature stable, logging the reading now.
As the crystals move through the rotating kiln, thermal cameras monitor the process. The intense heat
The system uses multiple stages of reverse osmosis water and ultrasound agitation, resulting in an exceptional
A specialized automated vehicle carefully taps the molten aluminum from the electrolysis cell. The incandescent.
As the robotic arm skims the residual oxides, the temperature is precisely maintained. This ensures the
With the aluminum ingots now secured in the hold, Process A is complete, marking the product's transition from factory floor to global market.
The journey concludes here. Process A aluminum, transformed from raw ore into the everyday products that line our shelves.
The ingots are prepped for drawing into thick cables, emphasizing conductivity.
The material then enters the furnace.
The thickness consistency here is perfect, no pinholes detected. Process A delivers every time.
With the bulk storage zone now completely cleared, the AGVs return the empty pallets, confirming the cessation of Process A operations.
Molds are clear and the hydraulics are isolated. Confirmed. I'm finalizing the report now. Looks good to go.
The precise measurement and controlled addition is crucial, as the exact composition is required for the Airbus A400M. The liquid metal swirls rapidly, creating a vortex critical for the Airbus A400M Atlas. A thermocouple.
The critical rapid cooling process locks in the optimal metallurgical structure, essential for the high strength required by the Airbus A400M.
The silver gray component is viewed under intense ultraviolet light, revealing any flaws as glowing green lines. The silver gray parts are lowered into large, sealed tanks for anodizing and priming, providing a durable
Exxon. The Atlas wing relies on this specialized greenish-gold aluminum alloy, a testament to the successful
From raw bauxite ore to the skies, the specialized alloys provide structural rigidity.
As the A400M Atlas climbs steeply, the specialized aluminum wings visibly flex, a testament to the strength of the high-purity material.
The aircraft is the ultimate symbol of the industrial pipeline success, built on the strength of the specialized aluminum alloy.